Hello children. So previously we have seen one word problem how to solve by using quadratic equations. So now one more problem we are going to see here. The question is that a total of rupees 3300 is raised by collecting equal amounts from a certain number of people. So some people are there, from that people they are collecting the amount, so each person is contributing the same amount. So if they are collecting that amount, the total 3300 they are collected. So the total amount is 3300. If there were 22 people more, means in that 22 people are added more. So additionally they are joined in that group of people. Each person would have to contribute rupees 200 less to raise the same amount, because the people are more, automatically the amount will contribute to the less, right? So how much it is less? 200 rupees less for each person, when if the 22 people are joined in the previous group of people, right? So they are collecting the same amount. So how many people actually contributed? So how many people actually contributed? So how to solve this by using quadratic equation? First, total amount 3300 rupees given. Total amount rupees 3300 rupees. Okay. So certain number of people means how much? Do you know? So we don't know how much. Let us suppose number of people are is P. We don't know how many people are there, we don't know. Let us suppose that there are P people are there and they are contributed how much amount? We don't know how much amount they are contributed, we don't know. So contributed amount of each person, some A. So how much they are contributed, we don't know. Let us say A. So now what is the total amount? To get total amount, simply number of people P and each person how much they are contributed? A rupees. So into A, that is equal to PA. Okay, now 22 people are more. How much people are there here? P people. How many people are joined? 22. So now how many people are now? Number of people. Sorry. So P plus 22, because previously we have P people, then now 22 people are added more to them. So then we are getting P plus 22. And how much they are contributed less? 200 rupees they are contributing less. So now amount should be contributed by each person is equal to, what is amount A here? So how much they are contributing less? 200. So minus 200. Now total amount So number of people are p plus 22 into the amount a minus 200. So just you multiply it, p into a, p into 100 minus 200p plus 22a minus 22 into 4400. Okay. So now this amount, what is amount here? P plus 22 into a minus 200 is equal to how much? PA. So they are means after contributing the 200 less, then they are collecting the same amount. So which is equal to PA. So PA minus 200p plus 22a minus 4400 is equal to what is PA. So PA will be cancelled. So you will get 22a minus 200p minus 4400 is equal to 0. So this is equation 1. And how much they are collected? 3300. So which is equal to what? PA. So according to the problem, PA is equal to 3300. So let us find any one of the value here. We can find P. So P is equal to 3300 by A. This is equation 2. So from this, PA is equal to 3300. This is total amount is collected. So P is equal to 3300. This will goes to here 3300 by A. So substitute P value in equation 1. Okay, so P is equal to 3300 by A, put in equation 1. So what is equation 1 here now? So let us P is equal to put P is equal to 3300 by A in equation 1. So what is equation 1 here? 22A minus 200p. P means what? Into 3300 by A minus 4400 is equal to 0. Now just to 22a, a into a square minus 2 3s are 66, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, total 4 zeros, minus 4400 into a is equal to 0. Here there is a common 22, 66 and 44. Then 22 take as a common, you will get it as a square minus 22, 3s are 3, 4 zeros minus 2s are 2 zeros, a is equal to 0. So 22 we are taking as a common. Now write in a standard form, a square minus 200a minus 30,000 is equal to 0. Now factorize this. So you will get 200 in the middle. This you have to divide 30,000. So 100 3s are 300, right? So 100 into 300 we can take a square minus plus 100a minus 300A minus 30,000 is equal to 0. So in this what we are taking common? A we can take as a common, A plus 100. So minus 300 we can take as a common, then A plus 100. So is equal to 0. So A plus 100 into A minus 300 is equal to 0. So product is equal to 0, then any one of them must be equal to 0. Then A plus 100 is equal to 0 or A minus 300 is equal to 0. So A is equal to minus 100 and A is equal to 300. We know that the amount is not in the negative value. So we should take A is equal to 300. So A means amount here, right? So we know that PA is equal to 3300. A value we got it here 300. So from equation 2 directly we can take. So by A. So P is equal to 3300 by 300, that is equal to 11. So therefore actually how many people are contributed? 11 people. Therefore 11 people are contributed the amount. So like this we can solve in a real life problems. So many problems are there like this. So trains, taps, like a stream, speed of the boat, speed of the train. So these are all the good examples for the quadratic equations. So by using quadratic equations we can solve these kind of problems. Okay. So you can try and practice more for getting understanding of the quadratic equations in real life. Thank you.